The histogram below represents the ages in years of the 16 students in a chess tournament. Ooh, so the ages of students in a chess tournament, between the ages of 1 to 3, there's nobody. All right, makes sense. I don't see any babies doing chess. Between the ages of 4 and 6, you have one person, a little genius over there, a little Sheldon Cooper. Between the ages of 7 to 9, you have nobody. So I'll put zeros there just for funsies. Between the ages of 10 to 12, you have all the way up here, which lines up with 7. Between the ages of 13 and 15, you're at 6. And between the ages of 16 and 18, looks like you're at 2. Which statement about the ages of the students in the chess tournament is true? The interval from 4 to 6, which is this guy, shows a gap in the data. And the interval from 10 to 12 shows a peak in the data. I do agree with this part. 10 to 12 does show a peak in the data because it's the highest. But the gap is not between 4 to 6. The gap is between 7 to 9. So this is wrong. So B says the interval from 4 to 6 shows a gap in the data. No, we just said that. The gap is not there. So it can't be B either. The interval from 7 to 9 years shows a gap in the data. Yes, I agree with that. And the interval from 10 to 12 shows a peak in the data. I agree with that too. But let's see why D is wrong. The interval from 7 to 9 years shows a gap in the data. That's true. The interval from 16 to 18 shows a peak in the data. No, not even close. So the only answer that makes sense here is C.